Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to this Wednesday from Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. Bombardier Challenger 350 inbound from Buffalo, New York. Hope you guys are having a great day today. Southwest Airlines 2575 inbound from Baltimore. This is a Boeing 737-800. United Airlines 1929 inbound from San Francisco.
I think I'm overexposed.
And we are here for the Delta Airlines 767 coming in a little bit. Stay tuned for that. Frontier Airlines 3232 A320 Neo inbound from Las Vegas. An American Eagle 5470, and this flight's inbound from Washington, D.C. Alright guys, we got a special aircraft inbound. Delta Airlines 8861 inbound from Detroit. This is a 767-400. And it's carrying the players that are going to be playing for the Pro Football Hall of Fame game, which is tomorrow, I believe. And this actually has the American Society's cancer thing. American Eagle 4709 inbound from JFK. I'm gonna do some more plane spotting just because you guys like my videos. And can see that 767 taxiing. Delta Connection 5641, it's an Embraer E175 again, inbound for Boston. Delta Airlines 880 inbound from Atlanta. Finally getting some good breeze right here after it was hot earlier. American Eagle 6253 inbound from Chicago O'Hare Airport. And thank you guys so much for the views of my other video, the United 757. I really appreciate it, guys. We got a global jet carrier, Jet 35, and now from Thunder Bay. This is a medical jet, and it looks like it's going to arrive on 6 right, runway 6 right. United Airlines 2226 inbound from Chicago. This is a 737-900. Alright, that'll have to do it for today from Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. I know it was a short video, but I'm sorry. Please leave a like to this video if you haven't already, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.